Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. I'm seeing a fairly bullish reading here on soybeans. I was expecting this market to possibly correct down here and possibly retest this trend line. I was still bullish, but thinking that we might have some more downside here over the next couple of days. So far, we haven't seen that. I would view a breakout of the 1731 level, which is really today's session high, as being something fairly bullish. But sometimes when we see formations like this where we don't see much of a punch from the sellers in the market, this oftentimes serves as a springboard to much higher prices. So I like this market here. I like a buy signal here. We're seeing an upturn in the momentum, MQ momentum index on a 60-minute basis. If we see again a break of right around the 1731 level to the upside, I would think that would be a very positive sign. In terms of stop levels, I would say placing a stop about 10 cents below where we're trading right now, around the 1716 level, would be certainly sufficient. And if we were to see a penetration of the 1731 level here, I would say that we could move our stop up from this previous low. So we'll continue to watch this market over the next couple of days and see what happens. But so far, what I'm seeing in this market would suggest that if we see a break of today's session high at 1731, then I would say that we're in pretty good shape to possibly see much higher prices. But we'll continue to watch this market, and if somebody decides to get in at the current levels, call it right around 1725, 1726, then we shouldn't have to really risk a lot here on the downside with maybe about 10 cents or so. And the upside could be very meaningful if we see a breakout of the 1731 level. We should see some good acceleration at some point to the upside if this thing still has legs to it in this bull market. We'll continue to watch this market over the next several days. Thank you.